In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up any Discord server and export chats. If you'd like to keep a personal copy of your Discord activity, Discord provides a built-in data request tool that lets you create an archive of the information associated with your account. This is the safest and most reliable way to back up the data you're allowed to access, including your messages and information about the servers you're part of. The process is straightforward, and once you've submitted your request, Discord will prepare your archive for you. To begin, open Discord, either through the desktop application or in your web browser. After Discord loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the gear icon next to your profile picture. This opens the User Settings menu, where you can manage your account preferences, privacy options, and data-related features. If you don't see the gear icon right away, make sure the Discord window isn't minimized and confirm that you're signed in to your account. Once you're inside User Settings, locate the Data and Privacy section in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on it to open the Privacy dashboard. Here, you'll find information about how Discord manages your data, along with the tools you need to request a copy of the information associated with your account. Next, find the Request Data option and select it to begin creating your export. Discord will display several choices that allow you to decide what information should be included in your archive. Choosing only the data you need can make the archive easier to organize and review later. Select Account to include your core account information. This helps preserve important profile details alongside the rest of your backup. After that, select Messages to include your message history from servers, group chats, and direct messages that you're permitted to access. Keep in mind that exports generally include message text and references to attachments. If you've shared a large amount of content over time, the archive may take longer to prepare. Then, select Servers, so your archive includes information about the servers you're a member of. This provides useful context for your exported messages, while respecting Discord's privacy and permission system, by including only the data you're authorized to access. After confirming your selections, click Request My Data. Discord will begin compiling your archive, and the preparation time depends on the amount of information included. Once it's ready, you'll receive a notification in Discord, and typically an email, letting you know your archive is available. After you save your archive, keep it in a secure location. Since it may contain private conversations, it's also a good idea to protect it with encryption or a password for added security. That's the complete process. By requesting your data through Discord's built-in tools, you can create a reliable backup of your account information, messages, and server data whenever you need an updated copy. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,